employed, guys.
I wasn't sure what it was called.
I just dropped my phone. Cracked her. Did you hang her? I'm cold. I swam like a freaking mermaid. We're going to the freaking Hannah Montana Waterfall today. Ever since last year when I went to the Hannah Montana Waterfall, the girls were like, I want to go. And so we're going. I got a little Red Bull. It's white peach, best flavor. Hands down. Abigail has joined us. Hi, vlog. Hey guys.
Better late than never.
Nobody's perfect. An hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes behind schedule.
I thought you were gonna say away.
No, it's only 45 minutes away.
She just likes Michelob. She bleeds Michelob.
We made it to the falls. Yay. There's people here. Boo.
We can scare them away.
I really wanted no one to be here because it's a Monday in the middle of August. So like, why are you not in school? Why are you not at work? You know what I'm saying? But I mean, we're not, so I guess other people like that exist.
You're unemployed friends on Monday.
I'm employed, guys. No one works around here.
I work. We're all independent women.
Yes. We're ready. Let's go walk down the little trail. We're off to the waterfall.
Hi. Crazy vlogger. Rutledge Falls.
Yay!
Boyfriend, I was like, we're going to the Hannah Montana Waterfall. He was like, what is that? What's the Hannah Montana Waterfall? I was like, it's the Hannah Montana Waterfall.
Oh, they're having problems. What is happening?
I was laughing and I started choking.
You can see her. So pretty. Love it? Loving it?
Yes.
Water is so clear.
The rope swing was like on that tree. This is where they filmed Hannah Montana.
Want to play mermaid? Yes, I want to play mermaid.
I think it's cool.
Probably cold, yeah. Bailey being a TikToker. Are you okay?
No, it's fun.
Let me see. Oh, ow.
It was in my hair. I went to do that and it stung me.
Ouchie.
I don't know. It's like right on my tattoo.
Go around the side. No, that way. Bailey's going back.
Hey chat, we just out here. We're literally at the Hannah Montana Waterfall right now. Maybe like a cold play. There's something in it. I know.
like,
Say cheese vlog.
so we're gonna get in the water now and like take some photos.
You said you were gonna go under before we leave. We've been here for 2 hours. I think we're gonna leave soon. I'm cold because I swam like a freaking mermaid. Lily did too. We were the only one to swim.
That was because we put it late. I know y'all's mom is so proud of y'all for doing this. For going into the waterfall. For being in nature.
Packing up, ready to go. Abigail's already left. We made it back to the car. We're done for the day. We were here for 2 hours. Time to go home. My camera battery's about to die. Something just bit me. Hannah Montana waterfall. Check.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? 10 out of 10. What do y'all rate it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of
Very
10.
peaceful.
It's beautiful.
Very.
Not too many people.
It was a little cloudy, a little cold.
When we actually seen Hannah Montana herself.
There was a statue of her actually.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.